Hello, class. As we are learning about all things in the sky in our space unit, we are going to read a book today all about the moon. So, our book is called Let's Explore the Moon, and our author is Walt K. Moon. And let's see what it's about. It says the moon. The moon is in outer space. It is part of our solar system. So it's outer space and it is a part of our solar system. The moon is smaller than Earth. You can see it in the sky. So at nighttime, every time we look outside at night, we can see the moon and it's smaller than the Earth. The moon moves around the Earth. It circles Earth about one time each month. So while it's circling the Earth, we get to see different phases of the moon, and the moon changes shapes throughout the month. The sunlight hits different parts of the moon. This makes it look different. Sometimes it looks like a crescent. So this is when the moon is in a place of the Earth where the sunlight is not hitting all of the moon, so you only see a part of it, and it makes a crescent shape. What other shapes do you think the moon can be? Have you ever seen a full circle that makes a full moon or half a circle that makes a half moon? Other times the moon is full. The harvest moon is full in fall and it looks orange or red. Who has ever seen an orange or red moon? Mm. So when we see that big circle, we know that it is a full moon outside. Rocks fly in space, and some rocks hit the moon. They make pits, and the pits are called craters. So if you ever see any of those holes on the moon, that's because a rock may have hit it and caused it to make a crater in the moon. People look at the moon with telescopes. They see the craters. So if you ever get a telescope and look into the sky, you can see things so much closer. You can see the stars closer, the moon closer. And when you look at the moon up close, you can see those craters. What else might you see with a telescope? Hmm. People have gone to the moon. They took a spacecraft. An astronaut first walked on the moon in 1969. Why do you think astronauts need a spacecraft to get to space? Hmm. Do you think an airplane could get them all the way up to space, outer space, or anything else? Yeah, they probably need a spacecraft to get them way, way, way up there. The moon is Earth's closest neighbor in space. It lights up the night sky. So we see the moon and it seems so big because it's our closest neighbor in space. Where is the moon? Hmm, is this the moon? No, that's the sun. Is this the moon? No, that's a planet. That's one of our special planets called Saturn, and you can see its special rings. Is this the moon? No, that's the planet we live on, Earth. What about this little thing here? I remember the moon being smaller than Earth, so this must be the moon. Awesome job. I hope you guys learned a lot about the moon in our book, and I hope you enjoyed our story.